After many failed attempts, the 3D printed UAV finally did this. After altering the prop so it gives enough thrust, but doesn't hit the ground and explode, altering the CG so that the UAV is more stable on rough runways, and making the wheels better for rolling over rough ground, the final obstacle to flight was literally an obstacle, this tree. The first couple of takeoffs, I was very cautious about hitting the tree, so I first was leaning hard on the ailerons even before the plane took off. Then for the second flight, when I saw the UAV getting close to the tree, I banked right very hard immediately after takeoff. Both times it caused the plane to stall, lose speed quickly, and fall out of the air. But now that I knew it could finally get in the air, I was hopeful, and the crashes didn't do too much damage. Pretty good for a 3D printed UAV. The next attempt, I went in with the idea that I'm just going to go full throttle, give a little bit of elevator to get off the ground, and not touch the ailerons. If it hit the tree, it hit the tree. This third attempt, to me, was very successful because the drone did exactly what it was designed for. It got up in the air in only a few meters, and on rough ground, and it was clearly very stable in the air. Once I saw that it was heading right towards the tree trunk, I tried to belly land it in a hurry so it would, hopefully, scrub off some speed and reduce the impact. The result was even better though. Hitting the ground diverted it, and it eventually landed in a bush. The damage was moderate.
And it has a couple sticks in it. Those are designer sticks. They make the plane more aesthetically appealing.
So this test showed that this was a STOL UAV, and even on terrible runways still. But with the next attempt, being very confident in the UAV's abilities now, I moved up the runway a little to rougher area, but that was to clear the tree, and it flew, and well. The main problem with the UAV was the person controlling it now, me. On subsequent flights, I honed in the endpoints of the elevator so that it couldn't pitch as quickly.
So about that much is how much I really want with the elevator.
In effect, it's an analog way of limiting the pitch rate. After that, UAV performed consistent and routinely took off. I also added an action camera and called this Cool POV. If you'd like to download this plane and print it yourself, we've linked it below. It's completely open source. So after a couple of days of aero design, another month of CADing and initial manufacturing, then after another 5 months of testing and modifying so it would work on this rough runway, this 3D printed UAV finally works. In fact, it works so well on rough runways now that even with a change of seasons and more vegetation increasing the runway's bumps, it still takes off. While it might not be the prettiest, I think it's one of the most durable and possibly the best 3D printed UAV at taking off from any runway and handling anything thrown at it. I haven't seen another 3D printed drone tackle runways like this. If you have, let me know below. And if you'd like to learn how to design and build your very own UAVs, I teach a course on it here. If you want to see its entire design, build, and testing process, check out this playlist here. Peace out, amigos.